dancing in the kitchen.
Hi guys, welcome back to
Dancing in the Kitchen.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
And we have our final episode this week on our gut health theme. So today we are continuing the conversation about fiber and prebiotics.
Fantastic.
And we're going to be talking about a specific probiotic, one of the healthy bugs in our gut, and what it can do for us. It's actually pretty exciting stuff. So I know that you've had a couple family members that have passed from cancer, and what this bug does is called Akkermansia.
Okay.
And people who have Akkermansia present in sufficient amounts in their gut flora actually respond better to cancer treatments.
Very interesting. And why is that?
Whatever the Akkermansia does, like whatever compounds it releases and etc., I'm not sure if the research has necessarily teased out exactly what's going on there, but they have found that there's a correlation between this gut bug being present and people responding better to things like chemotherapy.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so it's powerful stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
And we're going to talk about a prebiotic food that is actually the food for this Akkermansia bacteria.
Okay.
And that is pomegranate. Yeah.
I would have never thought.
Yeah, right? So,
But it is a superfood, pomegranate, correct?
Pomegranate
it's
is.
in that category of like...
Definitely. It's like loaded with antioxidants, which we've talked about before, help neutralize those free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. So pomegranate is good on a lot of fronts.
Right. And I didn't grow up with pomegranate.
I didn't either.
So yeah, I'm not really...
Well versed.
Yeah, like how to like have it, or I know people drink pomegranate juice. I've never put it in anything, so I'm interested to learn. Yeah.
Yeah, so we will definitely get into that. One sort of pro tip for pomegranates, if you get one from the store and you're actually like taking the arils, which are what the little seeds are called.
Oh, right.
If you're taking those out yourself, you want to get a big bowl of cold water and immerse the pomegranate in it and then break it apart and remove the seeds in there. It'll help separate the pith, which is like the white crumbly part that you don't want to eat. And it also prevents the pomegranate juice from staining on you.
Oh, because it stains as well, yeah. Our next door neighbor has pomegranate trees, so when they're in season, they're like big and beautiful. I've never used them, but they are right next door, so.
Yeah, and if you are going to consume pomegranate juice, like it's got tons of antioxidants, it's really great in a lot of respects, but you do want to keep it like relatively small amounts. You can even drink it daily, but just small amounts because we don't want to overdo it with the sugar.
Right, because they're high in sugar.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah, and so today's recipe, without further ado, is actually something that fares from Middle Eastern cuisine. So have you ever heard of pomegranate molasses?
I have not.
So it's a cooking ingredient in certain Middle Eastern dishes, including this one, and we're going to be making a walnut chicken that uses pomegranate molasses.
Okay.
And it's really tasty. It goes really well with the wild rice that we made on a previous episode and a side of crispy roasted asparagus.
Fantastic.
So today we're going to be making that walnut chicken with our pomegranate molasses.
And for someone like me, can we substitute the chicken for something else like a tofu or,
Yeah, tofu or like mushrooms, anything that's going to kind of have that meaty texture. And this is so rich in spices and flavors that it really almost doesn't matter what the protein is.
Okay, so I could do like a cauliflower steak or something and like,
Yeah,
fantastic.
That would be great.
Okay, good alternatives.
Yeah, all right, and so we do have a song for you guys today. This is another favorite of mine from my Seeing Stars album.
Okay.
This one is called Don't Leave Me.
Awesome.
And it's just really about support and how important support is for our well-being in general and especially our mood and mental. Don't leave me. Never leave you, Liz. I love you. I love you so much. So it's really about support and like being there for one another and working through things. And we hope you enjoy it. Yeah, so we're going to get cooking and we will see you back here in just a little bit.
All right, bye.
Don't leave me now. We'll get through somehow. There's no doubt about whether we can work it out. You forgive, I'll forget, and we'll get over it. Hey honey, don't be mad. When you are, it makes me sad. I don't wanna see you frown. I don't wanna let you down. When we don't get along, it's like my whole world is gone. I just wanna be
enjoyed that recipe. We hope you enjoyed the song.
Yep.
Comment below if you have questions,
Yeah.
if there's anything you want to know.
And like and subscribe, and let us know how you use pomegranate.
Yeah, and we will see you next time here on Dancing in the Kitchen.
Bye.